In May 2025, Pakistan's cyber offensive against India caused an estimated $83 billion loss in market value within just 48 hours, even before missiles struck. This is the story of how a digital assault crippled India's critical infrastructure, power grids, railways, and airports, while rewriting the rules of modern warfare. India's aggression meets digital resistance. Pakistan's cyber arsenal, operating at less than 10% capacity, paralyzed India's digital backbone. Mumbai's power grid collapsed, railways halted, and servers storing national data vanished into the void. Operation Swift Retort 2, infrastructure under siege. Pakistan's Al-Fatah missile strikes on May 10th were accompanied by a synchronized cyber blitz. 1,744 servers were wiped, 10 SCADA systems controlling power distribution destroyed, and 13 government websites * disabled, including the Indian Air Force's communication networks. Power grid paralysis. Pakistan claimed to disable 70% of India's power grid, cutting electricity to 80% of consumers. Maharashtra alone lost 4,600 power feeders. Uttar Pradesh, 3,600, and Jammu and Kashmir, 250 ISP routers, triggering localized blackouts. Mumbai survived on emergency backups as grids faltered under voltage fluctuations. Railway collapse. India's railway systems, a lifeline for 23 million daily passengers, ground to a halt. Servers managing 235 solar and wind grid stations in Karnataka were hacked, disrupting schedules and cargo logistics nationwide. Operational delays cost an estimated $1.2 billion in trade disruptions. Aviation and petroleum sabotage. Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport leaked 14,000 employee records, while Delhi and Kolkata faced server takedowns. Databases of Hindustan Petroleum and Indraprastha Gas Limited * were breached, halting fuel distribution to 12 states. Economic warfare and psychological impact. India's Sensex plummeted as cyber attacks triggered panic. $83 billion vanished from markets in 2 days, compounding losses from paralyzed infrastructure. GPS spoofing diverted 19 cargo ships, stranding $450 million in goods off course. Banking and communications meltdown. Over 4,400 government routers and 3,500 CCTV cameras * were disabled. Misinformation and market panic. Pakistan's Lahore-based TruthGuardians fueled chaos with viral deepfakes of Indian soldiers surrendering. The Press Information Bureau debunked 60-plus claims, but the damage was done, public trust eroded, and markets reeled. India's fragile defense and retaliation. India's countermeasures were reactive. While certain issued nationwide warnings, stock exchanges like BSE blocked foreign IPs, a first in history. Yet, breaches at Habib Bank * revealed India's retaliatory cyber strikes, leaking financial data. GPS spoofing and satellite blindness. Pakistan's R&D prowess shown, GPS spoofing attacks redirected ships and blinded India's satellite links. Firmware and fiber, not missiles, became the tools of fear. Cyber civil defense. 40,000 volunteers trained in cyber hygiene, per Pakistan state media. Meanwhile, India's Road of Sindoor report exposed attacker tactics, but failed to prevent a 97x surge in DDoS attacks * post May 7. Glowing map of Pakistan's cyber impact. Pakistan's cyber offensive inflicted $85+ billion in strategic losses, proving bites can cripple nations. From Mumbai's darkened skyline to paralyzed railways, this was fifth-generation warfare. A blueprint for future conflicts.